So I thought of coming out with another video that is more mermaid inspired, sea siren inspired, midnight mermaid inspired. I was like, what's another video I can do that can show you some more of my makeup palettes and my new makeup I buy a lot. So I was thinking of this collection. It's by Wet n Wild. It is called Midnight Mermaid. It is the whole Midnight Mermaid set, dolls. I wanted to get this set. I wanted to show you dolls this. I thought this would be a nice set to, you know, play in and show you and swatch dolls. Dolls, if you do not know who I am, my name is Savi Monroe. I make vintage retro hair tutorials, vintage retro makeup tutorials, vintage retro hauls. Anything retro vintage, you name it, I do it. So dolls, that is my niche in this channel. Also, sometimes I will venture off into some princessy vintagey vibes, but it's mainly retro vintage classic vixen retro. So dolls, if that is what y'all are into, this is the channel for you. So dolls, I would love it if you dolls can please like and subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so you dolls can know when I upload more videos. Oh, and how excited we are for the holidays, dolls. I'm so happy for Halloween. And you know what's crazy? At first, I really wasn't in the Halloween spirit, but now I am, dolls. I was just like, you know what, Savi? You need to come up with a nice tutorial that's going to show more darker colors, fall colors, Halloween colors. And I was like, why don't I start it out with this Midnight Mermaid Wet n Wild set? So I'm giving you dolls, you know, black Betty Page vibes here with some bumper bangs and some little wave curls. I hope you dolls like it. And do you like this makeup look? I like it, dolls. I was just playing around with it, you know, in a tutorial. But yes, dolls, I'm so excited to show you dolls this collection. And if you dolls want to see more, please keep watching. Alright, dolls, now before we get into this, I want to make sure that I show you dolls with a bare face. Well, first, I do only just have my foundation on. I just have my lashes on, my, you know, little blush, contoured my nose, and just my eyebrows on. That's all I have on. You know, I wanted to start with a bare face to show you dolls these colors. I'm so excited to be showing you dolls this. This is the Wet n Wild Mermaid collection, Midnight Mermaid. I want to show you dolls this collection. I was excited to do it, but I already know this collection already came out, but I was excited to do it. If you dolls know me, I am a Pisces, so anything mermaid related, I really love. So I just had to show you dolls this. This is how the box looks like. You know, and this is, you know, how the little thing comes in. I cannot wait to show this to you dolls. This is the box. How cute is this box, y'all? And this is how all the colors that it comes in. Dolls, I'm just loving these colors, okay? I wanted to show you dolls the lipsticks. The lipsticks is divine. Y'all, when I got this set, I was just too geeked. I just get so geeked over little stuff like that, especially mermaid, anything. This is one of the lipsticks. It is called Harbor a Crush, and this is what it looks like. I'm just loving this lipstick. And y'all, when I tried these on, or I've already tried these on, but I wanted to do it in front of you guys. You know, these lipsticks smells like cupcakes, so it doesn't have that weird chemical smell to it, so you will like it. And mind you, this is all a matte lipstick, so these are matte, and this is called Harbor a Crush. This is how it looks on me. I'm gonna add a little bit more. That is called Harbor a Crush, and I like this color. It is giving me major sea siren vibes for some odd reason. So I'm liking this color. Lips. And my lips is very moisturized actually, which is surprising because you know usually matte lipsticks kind of dry your lips out and it makes it crack. So it's really surprising these is like moisturizing after. So the next one is called Coral Crown. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to put it on. This time I got my mirror, y'all. So, you know, I will have it looking, I'll put it on better. So this is how it looks. This has a really bronzy tone to it. So if you guys is into that color, do y'all like this color? I really like it. It's really pretty. I think it looks amazing on me. It is really like a coppery, a dark copper color. So dolls, if y'all are into that, this is perfect. So I love this color, especially if you're looking for just copper tones, you know. So this is a nice matte copper, but it's also metallic-y, but it's matte, if that makes sense. So this is so nice, dolls. I highly recommend this color. It is called Siren's Jewel. It is an emerald green color, and I'm excited to see how this is going to look in makeup tutorials, dolls, because I have such high hopes for this. And this is how it looks. I'm loving this green, y'all. Yeah, I like this green. I usually don't ever wear green, but this is a nice green. You dolls are into green, I think this is a nice color for you. We are going to use the Sea Seduction shade, and this is in a sapphire shade. That's the right color, sapphire? Yeah, this is sapphire, and this is in Sea Seduction, dolls. I love this color. This was like by far my favorite out of all of the lipsticks. This is my favorite. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to keep this last one on because, honey, my lips are tired of being rubbed on. So we're going to try this on. And I'm loving this color, though. I've already tried this line, so this is like my favorite. So I love this color. Alright, dolls. This is the color. And for the second video, I'm going to keep this one on. Honey. So, this highlight is called Midnight Moon, and it has a little mermaid on it. And the highlight looks like scales. So, when you look at it, if you dolls get this highlight, it looks like scales. And this is how it looks. It's very shimmery. So, I figured I'd give myself a tiny little highlight. You know, you dolls know I don't really do highlights. I only do like a tad bit of highlights. So, I'm just going to give myself a tiny highlight just so you dolls can see how this looks. You know, now this I did not try on my face. I only just swatched it like y'all just seen. So, just keep in mind I don't really put highlight on, but you know, for the sake of the video, like I said, try on haul. So I'm gonna put some on my nose. Ooh, this highlight is highlighting my nose. Oh wow, this is such a nice highlight. But this is a nice highlight though, y'all. So I'm gonna give me a little highlight up here. Give me a tad highlight up here. See the color of it? That's the highlight. So I want to show you dolls more in depth how this looks. And yeah, and I just gave myself a little highlight here. A little highlight here. But yeah, this got toned down this highlight. I think it's too much highlight. Alright dolls, just showing. Shadows. Now, these are metallic-y eyeshadows, all of these. So, it is going to be such a pain to put this on and take it off. So what I'm going to do is swatch this on my hands, and y'all going to see these colors like that. And then I'm going to pick one color just to do a whole look on my eyes. And then you guys can see how it will look. So, we're going to try it out, okay? I'm going to go with, and this is called Aquatic Prism. Yeah, Aquatic Prism, and this is the color. It's giving me purple and blue metallic. The color. And next we are going to go into with, this is called Moonlight Majesty, and this is more of a green and purple color. Ooh, look how beautiful this color is. Like, dolls, like, can y'all just appreciate this color, though? This is so beautiful. I love colors like this. The color we are going to swatch is called Lara's Necklace. What? Okay. I like, you know what? This is giving me teal and green and a little black in it. So it's giving me dark mercury, dark green. Yeah, Moonlight Majesty. I think this might be my favorite one. Look at this. Oh, and this goes on matte, but it's the shimmer though, the shimmer, honey. So look at this. And the next swatch we're gonna do, it is called Mysterious Nights, and this is more of a dark gray, gunmetal, black, green. It's like a mixture of like 4 colors. Ooh, look at this one. Ooh, this has more shimmer than all of them. So yeah, that's how that looks. Now we are going to get into it going on my eyes. So I'm going to pick a color and then we're going to do a look, honey, okay? With Moonlight Majesty, I'm going to put this on my eyes. And so, you know, at first I thought, you know, what if I use another shade to go with it? But you know what? I just want to use this one shade to see how both my eyes will look. So I'm just going to do that. And exactly where I want it to go. So, no, it's really not messy. So this is how it looks on me. Alright y'all, so since I just couldn't make up my mind if I wanted to just put a little transition shade in the background, I just did some black. I used the 24 karat gold by Amber Scroll, if you know who she is. She's a YouTuber like myself, and she came out with this makeup line, I think 2 years ago. I used her palette. I used the black and splurge right here, dolls. So I really love this palette, and I really think you all should get it. But I used just the black at the end because I just felt I felt like it was still too plain for my taste. So I add black. So I'm just letting you guys know. So now let us get into the last segment of this collection, and that is the eyeliners. The first eyeliner we're going to try is called Sea Symmetry. So I want to go with these eyeliners, and I'm going to swatch it, and then the last I'm going to put on my lids. So this is how this looks. It's like emerald color. That's how it looks. Next one that we're going into, it is called Trident Shimmer. So this is obviously like probably a silver, you know, or a metal, like a metal gray. Yeah, this looks like more like a metal gray to silver. So yeah, this is more of a metal gray. That's how it looks. It's called Sea Dreams. Of course I'm gonna like this one. But this one is called Sea Dreams, and this is how it looks. Right here. Gotta learn to swatch better. But this is how it looks. It's blue. This and on my lids, dolls. I really feel this is going to look so cute on this, so here we go. If you decide to use this, because this is going all on my lashes right now, so just try to be careful. Not gonna bother putting them all right there, because I'm just not gonna bother with that, but yeah, that's just how it's looking right now. I'm loving the color, dolls, and I am just loving this look right now. So let me know, dolls. Let me know what you think. I had fun doing this, dolls. I like the color. I like the shimmers. Could I add a little more shimmers to it? Yes, but beautiful nonetheless. So, dolls, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for, you know, being crazy with me on different colors and stuff. And yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see. I am going to come out with some more videos that is more Halloween inspired, so look out for that. And yeah, dolls, I'm so glad you are subscribing to me. Thank you for watching me. And dolls, I will see you again next time in another video. Bye, love.